Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's your girl here, Rein, with another quickie for you. Now, this is not a tutorial, but it is an overview of a cute little project that I decided to do that I hope will inspire you when you're planning an event or walking toward your special day. Now, I am a huge fan of commemorating special events, whether it's your wedding or your birthday. I happen to think that it's those cute little touches that make a difference. Now, you may remember I made some cute little bachelorette party glasses for the girls. Well, I thought I would do one more little thing just to make this more of an experience. So come on in and see what I did because it's coming up right now. So on Pinterest, I have been seeing some cute little newsletters that people are using for their wedding programs. And I do plan to actually have a wedding magazine that will be my wedding program because I'm extra. But I decided for our special little trip to Las Vegas to create a visual itinerary for my girls. Now, I do have Adobe Suite products, but I decided to go to a free website and do a free tutorial. I'm sorry that the link is actually not in the frame. I thought it was, but this is canva.com and I'll post that link below. And as you can see, I'm scrolling through. They have a lot of great templates that you can use. You can change the colors, the fonts. You can do a lot of great stuff and you don't have to be an expert to know how to use their software. They've got a lot of options for pictures and slogans and quotes. So it's a really great little system for putting together your own little brochure or whatever it is you want to do. So I decided I really wanted to do something like this for my girls because they needed to know what to pack. They wanted to know what we were going to be doing while we're down there. And I thought, let me just be extra me and create a whole newsletter. And as you can see, they've got a lot of great elements. Some of the shapes that you see allow you to import pictures. So I'm just scrolling through to kind of show you some of the things that are available. Again, that is Canva, Canva.com. I will post that link as I said. And it's just a really good site for people who don't necessarily want to pay for Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. And also you can do this in Word, guys. Word updates now have templates, or well, actually they've had templates for a while that you can use to create your own newsletters in Word as well. So check out some of those templates, but don't feel like you have to be 100% professional to get this done. So I went ahead and started mine and I changed the color to black, added my pictures that I got just off of Google, added some personal elements, a personal thank you note, pictures of us, some of my favorite quotes, a look at the resort that we're going to be staying in and some of the things that they need to pack, as well as that itinerary. I'm so sorry. I keep scrolling and the mouse keeps doing something really weird, but you can see that I did the little itinerary and just a couple of little statements and things that I wanted to say to the girls and just remind them of things that they're going to need while we're there. So that's really what you see here is what I have gone ahead and created. And you can go ahead and download that when you're done. We've got a scavenger hunt that we're doing while we're out shopping. So that's going to be a lot of fun, as well as some games and a concert that we are attending. And I'm going to show you the newsletter as it came out. Now, when I downloaded this, I downloaded it in PDF version, and I just sent this off to Office Depot. And in their website, you upload your PDF document, tell them how you want it printed, if you want it stapled, blah, 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 blah. And it only cost me about $3.65 for each newsletter. Not a bad price at all. So as you can see, once I'm downloading, it's preparing the design. But that's really not a bad price at all. And this is full color. So 42 cents a page. And it ended up being, again, $3.65. And this was for 7 pages. So my back page is actually blank, but you don't have to leave anything blank if you don't want to. So once my design was prepared, I went ahead and shipped that off. And I'm going to show you in just a second what the actual newsletter looks like. Now, I told you I was a little extra. So this is how it came out when I got it from Office Depot. Now, the one thing you have to consider in using them for your printing projects is they don't have a printer that prints the bleed all the way to the edge of the pages. Now, that's not true for every printing company, but Office Depot did not do that. This was sent to them 11 by 17 at their recommendation. So I went ahead and took out my bling wrap and decided to make the best of a bad situation and fix it up. And so I just want to show you up close what this looks like. I really like the feel of these pages. It's fairly thin, almost like magazine pages, which makes it really, really cool. So I thought that was nice. And then just to show you some of the inside, there's my personal thank you, a picture of us, one of my absolutely favorite quotes that is true for me in my life. There's an overview here of the resort that we're going to be staying in and some information about that, our weekend itinerary, and the address of the hotel. Of course, I have tabbed that over because my phone number is there and I don't want a bunch of random people having my number. And then there's just more stuff, more things that I included, just talking a little bit about the wedding, telling them what to bring while we are out. As I said, doing certain things, there's little things that they can do to earn points. And the person who earns 100 points or gets closest to 100 points wins a special prize. So I thought that would be really fun for them to have. And that just continues up to 100 points. And then some things that we're going to do for our game night and our last or one of our nights there, we're going to be seeing Janet, Miss Jackson. So there's information about that. And of course, the last page is blank. So this is just a really cute idea. Again, it's all about the experience. And I really want my girls to feel special. I want them to feel like I am going all out for this wedding ceremony and that they mean the world to me. So I just wanted to share that with you, whether you are an event planner or you're somebody who's doing your own birthday or your wedding. This is just a cute little way to commemorate the moment. Even on the wedding day, you can give your girls a little bit of an itinerary to show them what some of the events are, or you can make them something special to outline the rehearsal dinner and rehearsal times and what to bring and what the schedule is going to be like on the wedding day, all that good stuff, blah, 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 blah. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that it simply inspired you. That's all I wanted to do. Again, this was not a full tutorial. I just wanted you to see an idea that I had, because I'm all about sharing the cute little ideas, and I'm all about commemoration. So until next project, you know what I always say, the work of our hands are blessed, and you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. I will see you next tutorial. Be blessed.